Here's a Toyota RAV4. I'm going to show you how to change the sensors on the left side door. Let's start with the front door. Open the door. Right over there is a sensor. And for this job, you need a T30 screwdriver bit, a Torx 30. Without it, you cannot do this job. So make sure you have this T30 screwdriver bit. Let's go ahead and start twisting this left and get the bolt out. Do not lose the bolt. Without the bolt, the new sensor will not work. Now press down right over there to get the electrical connector off the sensor. Do not let go of the electrical connector, because if you do, it's going to get pulled back in the body and then it's a lot more work to fish it out of there. So just hold on to it the way I'm showing, get the new sensor and slide it back on. It only goes on one way, and click it back in place. Put the sensor back onto the body, get the bolt, and let's just hand tighten the bolt first to make sure we don't end up cross threading it, and then let's just screw it down with that screwdriver. And now let's move on to the rear door. Exact same process, same screwdriver bit, T30. Let's go ahead and get it out. Now let's get the electrical connector off the sensor. Again, do not let go of the electrical connector, because it's going to get pulled back into the body and you don't want that. That's a lot more extra work. Hold on to it, get the new sensor, click it back on. Let's put it back onto the body. Put the bolt back on, and then let's tighten this down with the screwdriver. And that is pretty much it. See how easy the process was? Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.